Hello children, you are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gatawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your accounts teacher. This video is for class 12th. Subject is accountancy, chapter number 7, issue of shares, part 5. In this video, you shall study about oversubscription, undersubscription and issuing of shares at premium and their journal entries. Oversubscription. Over means excess. So what happens when a company is having a good reputation, has got its image in the public, and public is trusting, it has got an immense trust and faith in company's policies. Then when shares are issued by the company, so they are taken hand to hand. फटाफट बिक जाते हैं सारे shares, and each one wants to buy the shares. These shares are purchased. So what happens if company is issuing, let us suppose company is issuing 30,000 shares and receiving application for 45,000 shares. So this state is called oversubscription. It means what? People are interested keenly to purchase the shares of the company. And in this case, it is not possible to issue shares for each and everyone. And if it is done, then it is done on the pro rata basis. That is called proportionately distribution or issuing of shares. For some subscribers, company can issue the shares which are desired, number of shares which are desired. For some, that will be done on the proportionate way. Means some shares will be given, will be accepted, that request will be accepted, and for some shares that will be rejected. And for some subscribers, they will be rejected fully. They will get full rejection. So in that case, what happens? Board of directors of company decide in what way shares have to be issued or to be given to the subscribers, and for which pro rata scheme is followed. Okay, so what is the first condition? You see, allotment of shares in case of oversubscription, full allotment to some and rejecting excess applications. Second is pro rata allotment to all the applicants. Pro rata means proportionately. किसी ने 100 शेयर मांगे, उसको 80 दे दिए, 20 नहीं दिए. किसी ने 80 मांगे हैं तो उसको 60 दे दिए, 50 दे दिए, 30 नहीं दिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रो राटा बेसिस, है ना. एंड थर्ड इज disproportionate allotment in a rejecting some application and full and partial allotment to others, या allotment to all in different ratios. So this is disproportionate. So this is the most commonly used method in case of oversubscription. So what happens in the earlier videos, you studied that application money is received first, then the process of allotment starts. So application money is deposited by the subscribers into the bank in the company's account. So what will happen if they are not issued shares? So either they will be given full money back if their shares are rejected, or else the remaining money, the excess money at the time of application will be adjusted in future calls for the future purposes. That will happen. So what happens? What journal entries will be made? So for this, company can open an account which is called call in advance account. If it is done on the partial or pro rata allotment, the surplus may be kept by the company to be adjusted with the allotment and future calls. And when the money is not returned back, so company will open a separate account for this, and this account is given a name, calls in advance account. So there are two conditions. The first one is when some applications are fully rejected and the application money of such shares is returned in full. पैसा वापस कर दिया तो क्या होगा? Share application account was credited first, so just to close it, that will be debited, and money is going, so that's why to bank account share money is returned. Second condition may be when allotment is made partially and the surplus of application money is kept for the adjustment against allotment and future calls. आगे जब पैसा बुलवाना होगा तो कह देंगे इतना कम करके भेज देना भैया, तुम्हारा जमा है पैसा, तो that will be adjusted in future at the time of allotment or the future calls, first, second or third call. So for that, share application account will be debited to share allotment account and to call in advance account. So excess application money is transferred to share allotment and call in advance. If these two entries are not done, then a combined entry can be done. So what will be that entry? Share application account is debited with the total amount of application money to share capital for which shares are already allotted, to bank by means with the amount money returned for rejected application, to share allotment, excess application money which will be adjusted at the time of allotment, and to call in advance account if more money, more excess application money is there and retained for future calls. So that can be. So what is the ultimate impact? The ultimate effect is that the share application account is closed. Okay. Next is under subscription. Under subscription is the state when the shares which are issued to the issued in the public, so public is applying for less than the number of share offered by the company. So this state is called under subscription. और इस केस में क्या होगा? Shares are allotted as much they are applied, but at least minimum subscription should be achieved. कंपनी ने 30,000 शेयर इशू किए और एप्लीकेशन केवल 15,000 के लिए ही आई, बस आई ही नहीं बाकी के लिए. So this is under subscription. But company cannot start its business until and unless it receives 90% of total issue. मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन जो होना चाहिए वो कितना होना चाहिए? बताया था हमने इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में. मतलब as per the rules of SEBI, minimum subscription should be 90% to start a business. Otherwise, business cannot be started. And company cannot get the certificate of commencement of business from the registrar. So, and without receiving this certificate, no company can start the business. So such a state is called under subscription. So ये हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होगा. कंपनी भी बहुत समझदार होती है, उनको मालूम है, मान लो पूरे शेयर्स इशू नहीं, अपन ने जो इशू किए हैं सब्सक्रिप्शन उतने के लिए नहीं हुआ, पैसा इकट्ठा नहीं हुआ, तो क्या होगा? Company cannot start the business. है ना. तो accordingly company issue the shares, seeing all the situations, all the circumstances. If there is a new company, then on what grounds shares are issued? If it is already established ones, then on what grounds company will issue the shares? So it is taken in consideration beforehand, before issuing the shares. Okay. Now, issue of shares at premium. Premium, it means company is issuing the shares more than its face value. It happens when company is well aware, well known that shares are in great demand in public, and if issued more than the price, more than the face value of the share, shares will be purchased hand to hand. In this case, company can issue these shares at premium, means more than its face value price. तो ये मलाई है और ये एक ही बार मिलती है इशू होने के समय पर, है ना. क्या है ये? मलाई. जब इशू ऑफ शेयर्स एट प्रीमियम इज डन, सो दैट इज बटर फॉर कंपनी. तो कंपनी इज एंजॉइंग दैट स्टेट of goodwill, reputation, image, that it can sell its shares more than the face value, and it is even it is in great demand. Okay, so such an extra amount is called security premium, and for which security premium reserve account is opened in the book of companies. Premium amount can be called with application or allotment, or calls either in lump sum or in installment. But normally, when it is not stated in question or not given, then it is assumed that premium amount is taken at the time of allotment. ठीक है? For this, what entry will be made? The first entry that you are seeing on your screen is share allotment account is debited to share capital and to securities premium reserve account. So it is considered that security means premium is received at the time of allotment. Okay, and when it is at the time when it is due. When received, then bank account is debited to share allotment account. So this is a capital profit of company. It cannot be used for any other purposes, like in providing or means and in the distribution of bonus, dividend and other things. No, it can be used only for the capital losses, as it is a capital profit for the company. So this cannot be credited to PL account and cannot be distributed as dividend also. Not. So how to use the amount of security premium? So section 52 of the Companies Act 2013 states that how to make the use of premium reserve amount. So for this there are some restrictions. So that can be used, means it cannot be considered as a normal profit or a revenue profit. It is a capital profit. So these are the 6 conditions which you are seeing on your screen for which a company can use security premiums amount. First, writing of the preliminary expenses of the company at the time of establishment. Second, writing of the expenses, commission or discount allowed on the issue of shares or debentures of the company at the time of issue. Third, issuing fully paid bonus shares to shareholders of the company. Fourth, providing for the premium payable on redemption of redeemable preferential shares. Redumt means when they are paid by the company to the shareholders. So that we shall study in the next chapter, means what is the redemption of shares. Then for providing for premium on redemption of debentures of the company, यदि debentures redeem हो रहे हैं before the date, so that can be used payment करने के लिए. Or else to buy back its own shares, कंपनी खुद के शेयर खुद भी खरीद लेती है ना, तो उसके लिए भी इसको यूज़ किया जा सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड. अब what entries are done for writing of capital losses? So section 52 2013 Act of Company Indian Companies Act. पहली बात हो गई आपके पास expenses and a capital loss on issue of shares and debentures. So whatever expenses, so they are always debited. आप 11th से पढ़ रहे हो, तो शेयर debenture issue expense debited to bank, पैसा चला जाएगा तो to bank. और जब शेयर इशू एक्सपेंस हो रहे हैं अगेंस्ट सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व, तो उसके लिए हम क्या एंट्री करेंगे यहाँ पर, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू शेयर डिबेंचर इशू एक्सपेंस अकाउंट. ठीक है. अब ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑल दीज वीडियोज यू कैन सॉल्व फर्स्ट 10 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ योर book and first 10 questions or numerical questions of your book. So go through and prepare well. Thank you.